Hey folks, how you going? It's so good to be back. We've just come back from a nice trip over to South Australia seeing Robin's parents and spending some time on the farm. I did some videos there which will be coming onto this channel over the next little while. But today I've spent the day fixing Dad's chainsaw, which was a bit of a mission, I've got to say, and I'm just spending the afternoon light having a look at the bearings and the wheel set here for the van. So the plan will be that I'm going to put these wheels up on jack stand there and undo them, and I'm going to visit Steve Jackson this week and take you guys for a trip out there, and we'll see if we can pick up some bits and pieces to help me finalise this project. I'll also be doing a little bit of a spring clean and undoing and cleaning up all the springs, getting them ready for the next week, just to get the van back on its wheels and rolling. So I hope you enjoy this video and stay tuned.
Found a friend in Sam and his van.
Well, we just arrived at Buckajoe Heights, folks. What a trip. And look at all this gold. Oh, I love this place. Really love this place. A few projects on. Looking forward to catching up with my buddy Steve. No, Dado, go! Steve Jackson! We're here! Oh, hello, Barker! How are you, darling? Ah, it's good to see you. Red Dog, you good? Look at this fella.
Hey.
Mate. Oh, sorry, puppy. Just sitting on your dog.
Needs a bit of air, that tyre, Sambo. Jonesy did a job on it.
Jonesy did a job on it. Was that on the ute?
On this.
Oh.
Tore it off going to town.
Retreads.
Nah,
What happened?
just blew out at the side, I guess.
Well, that's amazing. Gee, you're lucky you still got a ute. Didn't flip it.
Lucky or unlucky, I'm not sure which.
Oh my gosh, look at this.
Coming together, isn't it?
Oh my gosh. Oh, I am so jealous.
You've got one too, Sambo.
Yeah, I'm just
What
like
do you got to
about
be jealous of me.
3 months behind you.
Nah,
Look how quick you're going at it. That's amazing.
I'm only doing me sort of 1 day a week.
Oh yeah.
But that floor took me best part of the day yesterday.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
kinda like, I didn't think so. Normally 2 of us make it, you know, quick job of it. But
Yep.
solo, it's hard to move the sheets and stuff.
I should have come out here. I bloody just spent the entire day fixing my dad's chainsaw.
That'd be right.
Useless.
Crikey, Mikey. But
Crikey.
hot down.
Oh well, it's fun to be here, and I'm looking forward to seeing some of the treats that Steve's got, and we'll talk to you later. So, here I am in Buckajoe and having an absolute field day here. I feel like I'm at a clearing sale where everything I want is here in one spot. It's amazing. And we're going through some of the light fittings. These light fittings, I've got another couple of those, so they're all going to match, which is beautiful. Steve-O's given me some beautiful vintage reflectors, and we're also going through a whole box of other bits. A bit undecided on what I'm doing as far as driving lights are concerned, but you can see we've got some nice big chromey ones there. A couple of, whoa, side lights, they're pretty groovy. And a number plate light to clean up. I just feel like it's Christmas, Steve. It's so exciting.
Early for Christmas, mate. Christmas in July.
And then what I'm looking at is Steve had a bunch of these mounts, and I'm thinking about maybe using some of these more standard colour reflectors and mounting them in there. So that's where I'm at the moment. It's very exciting, and I even picked up a nice little red on-air light for when the van is recording. Well, here's the Datsun, folks, and we are about to head home with a whole bag of goodies from Steve. But before I did leave, I wanted to get an expert opinion.
Yeah, get new ones. I'd give them a clean up.
Yeah. I just don't know what they are.
I have no idea.
And I think there's enough on that.
Pretty serious, yeah, they mate.
I think they'll just go back together. I'll just give them a clean up,
Give them a good clean.
bit of brake clean,
They are a
and
serious
put it back
brake
together.
unit.
Aren't they? Isn't that a beautiful thing?
That's way serious.
Yeah. Well, I've had an absolute cracker day here at Buckajoe, as you can imagine. I got a haul of vintage bits in an old Coca-Cola esky, some brand new LED lighting systems, some interior locks and lights, and a pair of wheels. Thanks, Steve.
That's all right, mate.
You're a gem. So this is going to be going home and getting sorted and cleaned, and then straight into the van. Would have been refuse, folks, or maybe Steve might have made a couple of bucks out of it on eBay, but it's better than buying brand new, I can guarantee that.
Recycle, reuse, repurpose,
Use, refuse, revival,
everything.
everything. Re is the hot words. Let's get home. What are we working on here, Jacko?
Mate, I'm taking the this hub off, do the bearings, get this cast one off. There doesn't seem to be a pin in it.
Oh, really?
Oh no, there it is.
Yeah, it'll be in there.
There it is.
I'll get you some tools. And yeah, we got a pretty rusty old back end happening where the brakes are here. And we got to make it look like
this one over here.
this one. Look at that.
Look at that. Freshly done.
Get that head out of the way.
Yeah, it's hard. Yeah, so that's the new side, which has got a little bit of surface rust from all our rain this week, but we'll clean that up again. And we've got new bearings and seals coming to go in there. So that's today's project, clean up the wheel set. What do you reckon?
Sounds plausible.
Sounds plausible. And I'm going to finish the springs over here.
I'm going to do the pigs.
The jaws are like a refuse revivalist dream tool, ladies and gents. They're made by Triton. The super jaws, they hold everything. You can see that we're getting towards the end of the spring here, and I'm just about to tannic that. I'll give it a blowout. Real quick though, because these have got the only problem with these jaws is I keep doing my knee in every time I hit it. These have got a bit of a fold over on the spring here, and so what I'm thinking is that rather than unfold that and risk doing more damage, the springs have been typically in pretty good nick, so I'm just going to give them a really good high pressure blowout here in the in between the leaves, and then just tannic around the outside of that. So there we go.
These are a bit dinged, Sambo.
Yeah, a little bit damaged there.
That's a shame.
But probably all that flipping and rolling and you know,
coming off.
side to side. Yeah.
So we'll panel them out.
How are we going to do that? What do you got here? Look at these.
These are just little alloy hammers. So these are great, light handled, hickory handle. They're nice because it's aluminium, not steel. So aluminium on aluminium tends not to ding them. So you don't use steel on aluminium if you can help it, because it will ding them.
What do we got, Steve?
This is another bit of a find, mate. I've heard it rumoured that you find the serial numbers on the axle sometimes. I've never found one, but here's one here. Look, we've found one. If you put a bit of shade on that, you can see 58S103, which matches the one on your drawbar, I believe.
Yeah. So we're all match, aren't we, really?
Matching numbers. So this is the original
axle.
axle.
And it's heavy duty. You've never seen anything like it, have you?
I've never seen anything like it.
Right.
A bit like Dr.
I
Doolittle.
really think that this was a custom build for Mumbles Shire industrial van. I reckon that the back end of that, those doors, they were an open up door. Yeah, I think it was. I reckon it's a roadside van.
Don't know about that. Normally they'd have a C for a custom build or a commercial build.
Oh yeah.
So they'd add a C after that. 103 would be a C
Okay.
rather than S. for Superb.
Superb. Yeah.
So it's
Okay.
been a touring van at some point. Pretty heavy duty touring van, but look at this. You got to remember roads in 1958 were pretty rough, and things haven't progressed much in this part of the world, so you're well equipped for driving around the valley
That's it.
on the bumpy old Buckajoe Road when you come to visit me.
Absolutely. The Datsun got a shake up.
Yeah,
We found another serial number, crikey.
a matching serial number to the one on the drawbar.
Is that right?
And there's only two places.
It's
to find
very
one
exciting.
there.
Very exciting, folks.
And no match.
So we're just getting the last of the axle and the springs together, and hopefully over the weekend we'll have everything back on its wheels.
Which is